Exhale, forward fold, having a long spine all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to shins. Exhale, plant your hands, come into a downward dog. Beginning to pedal through your legs, bending one knee at a time, just bringing some awareness towards our hamstrings. And when you're ready, coming into a tabletop position, planting your knees down. Your shoulders are stacked over your wrists, hips are over your knees. Begin to step your right foot back and move forward and backwards, shifting your shoulders over your wrists. Whenever you're ready, coming back with your shoulders stacked on top of your wrists, take an inhale and reach your left palm out in front of you like you're shaking someone's hand. Exhale, lift that right leg up, coming into a spinal balance. Deep inhale, exhale, left elbow towards your right knee. Inhale, reach back out. Exhale, come together. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bring it together. Inhale, reach out really long, and as you exhale, planting down back into a tabletop position. Coming into cat and cow, take an inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze, cow pose. Exhale, round through your upper spine, cat pose. Inhale, drop the belly, cow. Exhale, push through your